Okay guys, so for those of you that are new to my channel, I posted this clip in a previous video. Here's the link to that video, just to show y'all how moisturizing the shampoo is that I use. As you can see, my wave pattern, curl pattern is popping, and this is all of the moisture that I receive on wash day. The moisture from, the water with rinsing my hair and rinsing out the shampoo, and the moisture that comes from the shampoo. Okay, so about 4 days ago, I posted this survey, and it reads, using only water to moisturize the hair and grease to condition the hair and seal in the moisture is a great and simple way to retain length and increase density. But does your hair feel very dry and or hard sometimes when using grease? And as you can see, 61% of the people that participated in the survey said yes, their hair feels very dry and hard. Okay guys, so here's a quick clip to show y'all what my twist looked like after 5 days of no moisture. As you can see, my hair is really dry. Even the roots are dry, but I still see just a tad bit, just a tad of the wave pattern. Also, I do see, the shine from the grease. The ends are still clumped together, but my hair is really dry. The look of the hair is not a concern to me, more so the dryness of the hair. And I wanted to show y'all this clip just to let you know that I can relate to what you're saying. It's not something that you're doing wrong. I experienced the dryness too, but I know once I wash my hair within lately it's been 5 days, as I have mentioned, I'm going to add the moisture right back into my hair. Okay guys, so if you're using only grease and water, your hair feels dry because it is dry. It's actually dry. Sealing with the hair grease only helps retain moisture for more than 1 day. If you didn't seal with the hair grease, the hair would dry out within hours. That's why it's good to have like a spray bottle of water. So when you get to the section of hair, when you're ready to apply the grease, you can spritz some water on it to add a little moisture back into the hair, because the hair dries out really fast. And also, your hair may feel extremely dry because you're used to, that soft, smooth feeling when you use like a conditioner or a deep conditioner or even maybe a moisturizing lotion. To me, those products only give you an illusion of moisturized hair because of that soft, smooth feel. As I have shown in this video, the moisture in those products, well, let's just say the conditioner and the deep conditioner, the moisture is only there until you rinse the product out. With the moisturizing lotion or creams, I think the moisture only remains in those products for about 2 to 3 days. After that, guys, your hair is dry. Your hair don't feel dry because of that soft, smooth residue that's left on the hair, but your hair is dry and ready to break within 2 to 3 days, meaning whenever the moisture evaporates from that product, your hair is now dry. You can think my hair is now dry and is ready to break. And I just wanted to include that because I know a lot of people, they do put the conditioner on, rinse it out, and then add the grease. And, I hear or read a lot of comments about, oh no, my hair feels so smooth, it's so soft. That is the product, the residue of the product. Your actual hair strands have dried out. So don't be fooled. And I always mention in the videos, oh, that's not shed hair, that's breakage. So if you're going more than, just say 2 days, I'm going to say 2 days. If you're going more than 2 days without actually re-moisturizing your hair is dry and it is ready to break as soon as you touch or manipulate the hair. So in other words, when you're using only grease and water, that residue is not there. The only thing that's there is your hair strand, the grease and the hair strand. So it's not going to feel all smooth and silky because the residue is not there, meaning the residue from the moisturizing lotion or the conditioner. It's just the grease. Now, if you're wanting to disguise the dryness of your hair, meaning you don't like that dry feeling, you can get like a lot of grease and put on the section of your hair. You're going to have to coat your hair with the grease, and then when you touch the hair, it's going to feel really, really soft, like a little cloud or a pillow. But keep in mind, your hair strands are still dry. The only thing you're feeling is the grease, the texture of the grease. So that's why I say you have to put a lot on there. And that's a technique that I used to use when I would wear, like my hair in a big afro. But keep in mind, your hair is dry no matter how it feels. That is why it is so important to wash your hair within the 2 to 3 days, because we're needing to add the moisture back into the hair. So in conclusion, guys, don't get discouraged by the dry feel of the hair. As long as you don't manipulate the hair, you are good. As I have mentioned in this video, I know my hair don't be looking cute, but I am on a mission to grow my hair. So, I don't really worry about all of that silky, smooth looking hair. I know my hair is healthy. I know that it's continuously growing. I'm keeping it simple and saving my money. And to me, that's all that matters. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Be sure to turn on your notification bell so you can receive notification when I post any videos. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Share this video with all of your social media friends. And until the next video, guys, bye-bye.